Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI lesson number 4 in this Power BI learning series. In the lesson number 3, we talked about how to download and what are the various ways that we can download the Power BI desktop and how we can install it. Right. I hope now you have Power BI desktop in your computer now. So in this lesson number 4, we are going to learn about the interface on the Power BI desktop. Before we start designing reports, we need to understand how the Power BI interface looks like and what are the features inside there. Okay, so when you open the Power BI desktop, this is the first window that you are getting. This is kind of a startup, and if you don't want to see this every time, what you can do is you can untick this, show this screen on startup. This statement you can untick. So then what will happen, this will not appear when you open the Power BI desktop every time. But personally I like to have it because there are some advantages on that. Because you can see there are some tutorials, right? Very quick videos. You can click on them and learn from that, right? And also there are very nice links for the tutorials, so ready to learn more about Power BI. So you have to invest some time if you really want to learn this, because watching my demo, my video may be not enough for you. If you want to explore more and more and more, so these links will be helpful to you. So try to invest some time and go to those links and learn from it. Right, so and then what's new, and the Power BI desktop is upgrading every month. There is an update every month. So to learn the new things, what are the things added in this month, so you can go to this what's new, and there you can learn what are the new features and what are the things that they have fixed. So you can learn from this link. And also there's a forum, so if you want to contribute to the forum and learn from there, also from forum members, you can go there. And also there is a Power BI blog. Alright, so in this area you can directly going into get data by clicking this, but I will show you in the coming videos what is the meaning of this get data. And also this one, the recent sources. So this will shows you the recently connected sources. So when you click on it, you will see those connections, and you can connect from there straight away as a shortcut. And also these are the recently used report, Power BI desktop working files, and also open other reports. Now let me close this. And this is our interface, right? We are in the home in Power BI desktop menu, and this is the main interface that we are going to deal with. The first thing that you can understand, you can see, is the ribbon. So this section we call ribbon. Under the home, this is the ribbon. Under the view, this is the ribbon. Under the modeling, this is the ribbon. So like that. And then you can see under this left pane, there are 3 areas. The first one is the report, right, where you can see the report. And this one is for the data. So when you click on that, the connected data tables will be appeared here, and also the related fields will be shown up here. And this one is for the relationship. So if you have more than one data tables, then you can build up the relationship between the tables in this view, and also it will show you what are the available relationship between your data tables, right? So those are the 3 elements that we have here: reports, data, and relationships. Okay, let me go to the reports. Under the reports, this area we call report view. this one, the canvas, right? The report view, where the visualization are created and arranged, right? And then you can see the bottom, the pages, the page tab. So, and also you can see the plus button. If you want to add a new page, you just need to click on the add button. So if you can rename, when you double click on it, you can rename, right? So if you don't want to have this page, you can close, delete the page. So it is asking, right? You can delete it. So like that, you can right click and rename. You can duplicate the page. So like that, this section is helpful to you. Right, and then this area, this is the visualization pane. So this is where you can select your the visualizations, related charts, right, based on your requirement, and also the customize your visualization. And you can see the fields area and the format area and also the analytics area. So those are the three areas coming under the visualization. And also you can hide and unhide. You can see these little arrows, right? When you click, those will be unhide and hide, right? So these fields, so this we call fields pane, where query elements and filters can be dragged onto report view. So once you connected your data, so here you will see the respective fields in the data, connected data. In simple way, the column headings, right? So let's say sales, years, product, whatever. You can drag and drop those to your the report view in order to design reports. So that is about these fields. Then let's think about what are the other elements we have under the home. You can see the publish. So this is where we publish our report to Power BI web or Power BI services, the second element that we discuss when we talk about the flow, actually the flow of Power BI, right? So we will learn more and more on this, how to connect and all those. And under the view, you can see the different views that we can use, and also the layouts, the font layout, the desktop layouts, and also the grid lines if you want to have the grid lines, and likewise the bookmark pane, the selection pane. So likewise the different views that we can use when we working with the Power BI, right? And then the modeling, this is where we can build up our queries, right? And how we can add the features, the measures, and how we can change the data types, right? So how we can manage our relationships. So likewise, and also the help is there, so you can have samples. So likewise, a lot of things you can explore all those things. All right, and then under the files, if you want to create a new a canvas, a report, you can do that. So when you click on it, it will have a new the report. It will open up the Power BI desktop as a new a report, a new window. So likewise, my friends, under the files we can have open, save, save as, import, export to PDF the reports, and also the configuration and the settings. Under the options and settings, you can see the options, and there you can see the available features. So these are the options. So I'm not going to talk about all those things. Alright, so my friends, so that's it in this lesson. So we learn about the interface, what are the elements inside that, the different menus. So how we are going to work on that, we'll learn in the next coming lessons. So hope you enjoy this lesson number 4. In the lesson number 5, we are going to connect to the data and to modify the data using queries. Alright, so hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this, and God bless you all.